Welcome to the new video. Today we introduce the new Redmi Note 10s. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. The new Redmi Note 10s. It is available in 3 different colors: frost white, deep sea blue, and shadow black. The phone comes in 2 variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB memory, and the other variant comes in 6GB RAM and 128GB memory. The memory can be expanded up to 512GB. This phone is dual SIM capable with dual standby 4G plus 4G. It is a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 1080 into 2040 pixels with a 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The phone is equipped with a quad camera setup. The main camera has a 64-megapixel lens. There is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide with 118-degree field of view FOV, 2-megapixel telemacro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. The front camera is on display with 13 megapixels. The phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core 12nm processor with up to 2.05 GHz clock speed. The operating system is Android 11. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, bundled with a 33-watt fast charger in box, which boosts the charging speed as well as provides great battery backup. The box includes Redmi Note 10s, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and clear soft case screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Product link in the description if you need it. Thank you my viewers for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. Drop your valuable comment in the comment box below.